My name is Tarang Marfiu and I welcome you to DBS Global University. Plenty of teams have collected and they are here to compete against each other. All are giving their best, all are competing to win the trophy.
We have started this DPL from today onwards, and we have started playing table tennis and many other games. So we are really obliged to have all the players from different universities over here and playing with us.
And the table tennis tournament organized here is wonderful, very well managed. So many participants playing with a lot of zeal, with a lot of enthusiasm. So a huge thanks to the organizers of DGU for organizing such a wonderful event, and I'm very happy to be here.